Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I'm here with a beautiful open scallop pattern, and this requires multiples of 6 plus 1 stitches. This is worked with Desert Rose, Hobby Store 100% premium acrylic anti-pill Aran yarn. It's a 5-ply yarn and its color code is 2037. To demonstrate the stitch, I'm going to use the same yarn and I will make the necessary number of chains and get back to you. I have made 18 plus 1 multiples of 6 into 3, that is 6 into 3 plus 1, 19 chains. So yarn over the hook and make 2 DC, chain 1, 2 DC in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 double crochets. I'm working in the back bump and I'm using a 5.5 mm clover hook. Chain 1, 2 DC, 2 double crochets. And here we are going to work a special stitch in this pattern. It is called as wide double crochets. And this wide double crochets, 2 together we are going to work. So in the next chain, make a incomplete double crochet. Yeah, this is incomplete double crochet. Yarn over the hook, skip 3 chains, and in the 4th, yeah, insert the hook, pull up the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is your white double crochet 2 together. Then in the next stitch, next chain, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. Then get ready for wide double crochets together. So when you're working in the back bump, it's very likely that you miss out a stitch here because it becomes tightened. So you can just pull it up a little bit, yarn over the hook, incomplete double crochet here, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So if we pull through 3 loops on the hook in the last leg, it will become 2 DCs together. This is wide DCs together, wide 2 DCs together. Then in the next, you make again 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and again we're going to complete with wide DCs together. Yarn of the hook, insert here, incomplete, again in the last stitch here, so we have worked the first row here. Row 2, turn your work, begin with either chain 3 or a standing twisted double crochet in the end. I am going to do standing twisted double crochet here, and then skip 1, 2, and in the 3rd make a double crochet, then 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the chain 1 space. So this row is the pattern repeat row. It's a 1 row repeat pattern, a beautiful pattern. You can work any project that you like. It can be your shawl, it can be your baby garments, it can be your top, whatnot. Okay, then Having done this 2DC V stitch here in the chain 1 space, insert your hook in the next DC, incomplete DC here, and then skip 3 DCs, 1, 2 and 3 DCs, and in the 4th DC here, the DC before the chain 1 space, you are doing wide DC together. So this is how the pattern develops. Then again in chain 1 space, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. We are using 2 double crochet V stitch and a wide DC together here. Wide DC, 2 together in this pattern. So that creates an open scallop here. Open scallop pattern. And for this, there is no particular yarn recommended. You can work the stitch in any yarn that you like and it will work out fine. So only thing you need to decide is according to the yarn and the hook you're using, you need to decide upon the gauge. So again, incomplete DC I've done in this DC. 1, 2, 3 DCs I'm skipping. Done this. This is how it looks. The third leg we are here. Again, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, then 2 DC together in the next DC and the chain 3 of the turning chain here. We are working 2 the wide DC 2 together. This is the third chain of the chain 3 turning. It will look little to the sideways. It will appear to be in the sideways, but you can pick it up here, yeah, and it will set itself. So henceforth you will not have any such problem. Only the second row, when you pick up the stitch in the third chain, you should be careful. So this is how the pattern looks. And again turn. Either a DC or a chain 3 as per your convenience. I start with a DC always, a standing DC. So again 1, 2, 3. From here you skip this 1 and 2 and here you do the work, the double crochet. In the corners we are not doing, when we begin we are not doing 2 wide DCs together. It's just simple DCs together here. Not together, 2 simple DCs. Work 1 in the end stitch, that is the starting stitch, and then skip these 2 and in the third you're going to work your DC. And then your 2 DC V stitch in the chain 1 space. In chain 1 space it's always 2 DC V together. 2 DC V stitch, not together. And then your wide double crochet 2 together in the next stitch and then skip 3 and the following stitch. So this is how it forms and your open scallops will be seen clearly. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. So this is how it will look. So it's a reversible pattern. And this stitch can be very well worked the round too. It will look beautiful. You can use it for your tote bags. It will look wonderful for your tote bags. Hope you enjoyed the stitch. And this is a small swatch I made. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of repeat I have made with this, and it became a square for me. A small square which is a 5-inch square. So you can find the gauge. 3 scallops, that is 18 stitches. 18 stitches plus 1, 18 stitches when I took, it became a 5-inch square with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, 6 repeats and 18 chains, 18 stitches. Okay. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Shall meet you with yet another pattern in the next video. Hope you're enjoying this series, and do give your comments, and if you like to learn any new stitch or any pattern that is shortlisted by you, we will consider it and include in our pattern videos. And do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of videos which we upload every day. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.